Hello, today we will discuss how to do conditional formatting in Excel sheet. Why do we do conditional formatting? This should be the first question that should come in your mind. Conditional formatting is a good way to present your information in easy and comfortable way. I mean, if you have an Excel sheet and you have thousands of data entries or information in that Excel sheet, then you can apply conditional formatting, or you can make that data easily readable through conditional formatting. So if you want to apply conditional formatting in an area, then you select a range of those values or data. Now I want to apply conditional formatting in this column to the selected range. I will go to conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, we have a lot of options: highlight, cells rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icons, sets, etc. So first of all, I would apply highlight cells rules. If I want to highlight values that are greater than some specific values, then I would apply these. For example, I want to highlight those values that are greater than 40,000, like 40,000. There we go. We have all those values highlighted with red that has value more than 40,000. Similarly, I would redo this and again apply another condition: the values that are less than a specific range. Then range, I mean, if you want to highlight values in between a range, then you can apply this option, and then equal to, and then text that contains. This is applicable to the text data and then a date occurring. I mean, if you want to highlight data that has been put in your Excel sheet on some particular dates, then you can select this option, then duplicate values. If you want to see if there are some duplicated values in my data, then you can apply this option. For example, I applied this option to this range because we have some duplicated values in this range. I would go here and then apply duplicate. You see that you have three values that are duplicated in your range of data. Control redo, Control Z, and then again. And you would like to know something: why is this red? I mean, if you want to give some other color to this, to the cells that are duplicated, you can do that also. From here you can give yellow, fill with dark yellow color, and then this option, and then your custom formatting. So this is I mean, you can do custom formatting here. You apply this option, and then this you can create borders. You can fill the data like this, and font with dark color from dark to blue, and then okay, and you see you have background colors that you have selected, and then the color of the text. So want to see another option? If you want to apply, you want to see top 10 items, you can select this one, and then if you want to see top 10% of the data, then apply this, and so on. And then here is data bar. If you want to apply bars like this, and then like this, then this, and then if you want to give some color scales, you can do it like this, like this, like this. Another option is giving icon. You can give icons to some particular data like this, and so on. So this is how we do conditional formatting in Excel sheet. I hope this video adds some value to your information, to your knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video and subscribe to our channel.